What's the meaning of cetacean? Cetacean. Cetacean.
Cetacean. Cetacean. The term cetacean refers to a group of marine mammals that includes whales, dolphins, and porpoises. These animals are characterized by their streamlined bodies, flippers, and blowholes for breathing air. They are highly intelligent and communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including songs and clicks. Cetaceans can range in size from the small Maui's dolphin to the massive blue whale, which is the largest animal on Earth. Unfortunately, many cetacean species are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss, hunting, pollution, and other human activities.